So you have a YouTube video that you want to post on your Instagram Reels, but the framing, it looks really wrong. Here's where you're going to meet VEED's AI Background Expand. It refits your video perfectly for any platform, meaning no black bars, no cutoff faces, and no awkward crops. So whether you're a creator or a marketer, you really shouldn't have to reshoot or re-edit your YouTube content in order to post it across all of your socials. AI Background Expand works to extend your video's background so your clips fit every format, whether it's vertical, square, or horizontal, all without losing quality. Now let's take a YouTube video and we're going to make it Reels ready in seconds. We're going to upload our video to VEED. Now in the timeline, you're going to put your playhead to where you want your short form video to begin and then click split. You can put your playhead to where you want that video to end and click split again. Now we can delete that excess footage and we can move our clip over to the very start of the timeline. Now in the edit video panel, scroll down to Magic Tools and then click AI Background Expand. And then watch as VEED expands our background automatically. So you're going to notice your subject stays centered, the frame looks really natural, and it's ready to share on Instagram, TikTok, or Shorts without manually resizing or, like I said, any weird crops. So stop wasting time resizing every clip, just use AI Background Expand to turn one video into content for every platform easily. And if you do want to learn how to elevate your Reels effortlessly, you can click right here.